Sometimes we are getting confused about the three-phase induction motor rated standard rating. Here I will discuss about the standard motor rating as per Indian standard 325 IS 325. It has the equivalent IEC standard, also international standard. You can check there also. Uh, you can see this based on the rated voltage. The minimum rated output in kilowatt it is specified in the standard. Suppose if the rated voltage is greater than 2 kV and less than equals to 3.3 kV, in that case minimum rated output kilowatt will be 100 kilowatt. If the rated voltage is greater than 3.3 kV but less than equals to 6.6 kV, then minimum rated output will be 200 kilowatt. In case of the rated voltage greater than 6.6 kV but less than equals to 11 kV, in that case minimum rated output will be 1000 kilowatt. So this is as per the standard recommendation. You can see in various projects also, where as per the different voltage levels, suppose for medium voltage uh, for 6.6 kV or for 11 kV, you can see these are the motor ratings, minimum motor ratings. Now coming to the main point, that is the rated output, standard motor rated output. So here is the list as per the code up to and including 110 kilowatt motor rating I have mentioned here. So starting from 0.06 kilowatt, so 0.06, then standard motor rating is coming 0.09 kilowatt, 0.12 like this, 0.37 generally you can see for the small motor rating for industrial purpose it is starting from 0.37 kilowatt. Next is coming 0.55 kilowatt. This is also standard small size motor rating for industrial purpose. You can see all the most of the motor operated valves MOVs are rated 0.55 kilowatt or 0.75 kilowatt. So this is the standard motor rating. So next is coming 1.1 kilowatt, 1.5, 2.2, 3.7 also is coming, 5.5 kilowatt, 7.5 kilowatt, 5.5 kilowatt and 7.5 kilowatt. This is very standard motor rating. So 9.3, this is also standard but generally not used. 11 kilowatt, this is very much standard. 15 not too much used in industrial purpose, but 18.5 kilowatt and 20 kilowatt, this is mostly used for medium rating motors. Here 30 kilowatt also very much standard. 37 kilowatt, after 30 kilowatt 37 kilowatt is coming. Next is coming 45 kilowatt, standard rating. After 45 kilowatt 55 kilowatt is coming. Then 75 kilowatt is very much standard, and 90 kilowatt and 110 kilowatt, this is also the standard motor rating. So these are the standard motor ratings which almost all the manufacturers, all the LV low voltage motor manufacturers manufacture this standard rated output motor. So these are the basically these are the rated nameplate kilowatt rating. So whenever you will choose the standard motor kilowatt based on the process or mechanical requirement. Suppose there is a pump, suppose there is a compressor or a fan. So based on the pump head, based on the capacity, based on the requirement, we need to select the standard motor kilowatt rating. So this will be useful for that purpose. Suppose it is coming the requirement is coming more than 30 kilowatt. Suppose it is coming 31 kilowatt, but this is very non-standard. 31 kilowatt is not manufactured by any motor manufacturer, so you need to choose the next higher size motor rating, that means 37 kilowatt. So based on the loading factors, based on the load factors, you have to choose whether it will be 37 kilowatt or 45 kilowatt or any higher size. So based on the requirement you have to choose that one, but not lower than that value. Then the application, that means the pump or the fan or the compressor will not start, because the starting torque whatever required to start that application, to start that load, that motor cannot supply. Anyway, so this is up to 110 kilowatt motor rating. This is obviously low voltage three phase induction motor rating, and this can be used for 415 volt or 400 volt, or 690 volt system. So these are the low voltage system. And here one line I have written that the output ratings above 110 kilowatt shall follow the R20 series. So you need to check that IS Indian Standard 1076.1. So what is R20 series? So preferred output 3 kilowatt 4 kilowatt under consideration, generally not used, but sometimes you can see also some manufacturers manufacture this kilowatt motor rating. So mostly used standard kilowatt ratings are, if I go from the last here, 110 kilowatt, 90 kilowatt, 75 kilowatt, 55 kilowatt, 45 kilowatt, 37, 30 kilowatt, then is coming 22, 18.5, 15, 11 kilowatt. Next 7.5, 5.5, 3.7 kilowatt, also 2.2 kilowatt. Next 0.75 kilowatt, 0.55 kilowatt, and 0.37 kilowatt. These are the mostly used three phase induction motors for industrial applications.